Hello, today I'll show you top 15 things to do in Regensburg, Germany. So let's start with the number 1, Old Stone Bridge. Number 2, Haidplatz. Number 3, St. Emmeram's Basilica. Number 4, Scots Monastery. Number 5, St. Peter's Cathedral. Number 6, Thurn and Taxis Palace. Number 7, Alte Kapelle. Number 8, Porta Praetoria. Number 9, Altes Rathaus. Number 10, Patrician Towers. Number 11, Regensburg Museum of History. Number 12, Goliath House. Number 13, Museum of Danube Shipping. Number 14, Neupfarrplatz. And the last one, number 15, St. Ulrich.